friends, welcome to the Point. In this session, let's discuss about the Philippine Sea. The Philippine Sea is a marginal sea of the Western Pacific Ocean east of the Philippine archipelago, occupying an estimated surface area of 5 million square kilometers. The Philippine Sea plate, it forms the floor of the sea. Its western border is the first island chain to west, comprising Ryukyu Islands in the northeast and Taiwan in the west. Its southwestern border comprises the Philippine island of Luzon, Leyte, Mindanao, and so on. So its northern border comprises the Japanese islands, and its eastern border is the second island chain to the west. Its southern border is Indonesia's Morotai Island. So the sea has complex and diverse undersea relief. The floor is formed into a structural basin by a series of geologic faults and fracture zones. Island arcs, which are actually extended ridges protruding above the ocean surface due to the plate tectonic activity in the area. It encloses the Philippine Sea to the north, east, and south. The Philippine archipelago, Ryukyu Island, and Marianas are example. Another prominent feature of Philippine Sea is the presence of deep sea trenches, among them Philippine Trench and Mariana Trench, containing the deepest point on the planet. The Philippine Sea has the Philippines and the Taiwan to the west. Taiwan and Philippines to the west. Japan to the north. The Marianas to the east, and Palau to the south, and adjacent seas include Celebes Sea, which is separated by Mindanao and smaller islands to the south, the South China Sea, which is separated by Philippines, and the East China Sea, which is separated by the Ryukyu Islands. So talking about the geology, the Philippine Sea plate, it forms the floor of Philippine Sea. It subjects under the Philippine Mobile Belt, which carries most of the Philippine archipelago and eastern Taiwan. Between the two plates is the Philippine Trench. The Coral Triangle. So the Coral Triangle is roughly a triangular area in the tropical waters around the Indonesia, Malaysia, Papua New Guinea, the Philippines, Solomon Islands, and the Timor-Leste. So this area contains at least 500 species of reef building corals in each eco-region. The Coral Triangle is considered to be the global center of marine biodiversity, and its total oceanic area is approximately 2 million square kilometers. It encompasses the tropical waters of Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Timor-Leste, Papua New Guinea, and Solomon Islands. This Philippine island, which lie at its apex, make up 3 lakh square kilometers. So the part of the Coral Triangle's coral reef area that lies within the Philippine ranges from 10,750 square kilometers. The Coral Triangle contains 75% of the world's coral spaces, and it is home to over 2,000 types of reef fish and 6 of the world's 7 species of marine turtles. So there is no single casual explanation for the unusually high biodiversity found in the Coral Triangle, but most researchers, they have attributed it to geological factors such as plate tectonics. And the climate change is affecting this coastal ecosystem found in the Coral Triangle. So it is contributing to the rising sea levels and ocean acidification. Thus, it endangers marine animals like fish and turtles. So this has a negative effect on local sources of livelihood such as fishing and tourism. It is also making the waters warmer, which endangers corals. Warmer water causes corals to absorb more carbon dioxide. So this alters the water pH balance, making it acidic, a condition to which the corals are not adapted we can say, and in which they are ill-equipped to survive. So this is all about the Philippine Sea. See you in the next session. Thank you.